Hey everyone, it's me, John Villarreal, and I'm here talking about some cool products. My daughter just had a birthday, very exciting. We'll probably have some videos up of the birthday. We had such a great time. And my family sent some gifts here, and we're going to talk about these. In this video, we're going to talk about the Kid Made Modern Bento Box Crayon set and the Kid Made Modern drawing paper. Now, first of all, I got to say a couple things. These were bought by my family as a gift for my daughter. Kid Made Modern did not pay for this video, and these are our own personal opinions and our honest opinions. Secondly, please check all of the information in the video description and the disclaimers below, very important. We will also have links to these products down there, and please check out all the disclaimers, very important. The Bento Box Crayon set, let's start with this. These are actually crayons. I'm gonna get a little closer here. They are actually in the form of like sticks, but they're actually crayons. These are actually discs in their crayons, and these are gems in their crayons. So it's a nice little carry box here. I already like this. This is really cool. You get 6 crayon gems, 12 crayon sticks, 4 crayon discs. You just open this up right here. So look at that. It's all right there. So really cool. And I'm going to pull, this is the first time I've checked this out. Oh, nice. It's got a nice little heft. This is the thing. Every parent's got to make their own decision. Everyone's got to make their own decision. Again, please check all the disclaimers down there. I, on one hand, love this. On the other hand, I'm just a little concerned. I don't want, and that's a gem. Hopefully the kid's not going to try to eat this or anything like that. I don't know. My gut reaction is this is pretty cool. I never had this when I was a kid. So I still think that, you know, for us, when she uses this, we're going to be close at hand to make sure she understands these are for drawing only. This is the crayon stick. This to me is very much of a normal type of crayon situation. I think that's cool. It's just bigger. So I like that. I like that. They feel very waxy. I'm going to get really close here. I like it. I mean, we have to try it. We're so used to Crayola. I want to see how Jonnaire does with these first. Now the disc, this is pretty interesting. What I do like about this a lot is with this, is they have it multicolored. So again, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a toy maker, but what I like about this is even though it might be in like the shape of like a chocolate, I like that it's multicolored. I think that was smart. But I haven't seen crayons like this in different shapes. I want to see how she works, interacts with this. These I like. I mean, I'm pretty much, I like it. I definitely, I might love it, but I do like it. I want to see how she works with it. Jonnaire, what do you think about these? Are you excited? You think it's nice? Now you understand this is a crayon? Here we go. Let's talk about the paper. The paper is 70 pounds. You've got 50 of these. It's nice and thick. She's already tried it. See, she's going to show you right here. This is it. She's a really good drawer. She'll just do all. I mean, wow. We just opened this up today, and she's just blowing through this thing.
Put it down.
Exactly. Let's try it out right now and see how she does this.
Let's try it.
Now, see, I wonder what she's going to do with that. She just might play with that with her dolls, or let's see. These are all crayons. Now, this is for drawing only. We're not eating. We're not doing anything like that.
Try one of them, Mama.
Try some of the. See how they draw on this one.
See the gems, Jonnaire. Check the gems.
She's gonna test it out. She's gonna test it out. Oh, draws very, very smooth right there. You saw that. It's nice. Go ahead. You can try it. Do different things. Nice. So what I do like about that, it has that drawing edge to it. Do you like them, Jonnaire? Are they nice? It's fun, huh? Oh, nice. Wow. Apparently we like it. Okay, I can try it too. I'm not as this way. Okay. I'm not nearly as good of an artist as you and Mommy. The crayons are all crayons. Wow.
Let's try the other crayon.
Okay, try the other crayon. Now these work too. This is also a crayon. I don't know how this works.
Try
as much,
those, Jonnaire.
but try that. Maybe that's for
No,
your
no, on the side, maybe.
Oh, that's
Try on the
cool.
side,
This is
Bob.
maybe more of like for a background, Jonnaire,
No,
because it
Jonnaire.
kind of gives you like a different.
John, on the side.
On the side?
Yeah,
Oh,
try.
you're right. You're
and
right.
it give you different colors, I guess.
I think
Like
you can
green
do
and
different
yellow.
things, though.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, that's what I'm saying. We have to try these out
See what one.
and see which one works.
Honestly, there's no right way to use it.
No,
Just
right,
like-
right.
Yeah.
But this is great. The main thing is that she loves it. And this is something that, you know, she is an artist, I can already tell. Not that I'm the judge of anything art, but she just really loves it. And her mother is an excellent artist and
Let's
drawer.
stop on the fact that she loves drawing.
She
Like,
loves it.
You know.
She loves it. She can do this all day. She can do this all day. And every time it's a different deal.
2 and 3.
Are you excited about it? Go ahead. What are you gonna do? Wow. So that's cool. Yeah, I think the discs are more for like that background color, and then these are more for, you know, the normal drawing. Yeah. And what's cool is it gives different. They have multiple colors in them, so it kind of gives them different texture. Is that fun, Jonnaire?
It's showing too.
You like it?
It's just showing.
You're drawing everything. Awesome. So there you go. That is as good of a demo as you can get. She loves them. She's happy. We're happy. I think this is really great. This is the Bento Box from Kid Made Modern, the 22 crayon Bento Box here. And it is, one second, Jonnaire. This is the Kid Made Modern drawing paper. So I would say both of these together, I really like that it kind of gives the kids some different shapes, different colors. I would say on a 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this probably an 8, 8.5. Hey everybody, John here. I wanted to do a quick update because we've been using these crayons for a little bit of time now, and you can see they still look great. And what do I mean by that? First of all, let me set the table right here. Let me show you some context. My daughter absolutely loves these, and literally like every day we've got pictures. We've got drawings. I mean, we're gonna maybe start even doing some videos about our drawings because she just loves it, and her mother's definitely not getting it from me. Her mother's a very good artist in my opinion, but she's just doing all kinds of pictures. I mean, I've got pictures on pictures. The volume is just it's incredible. In fact, this entire book, this is what stunned me. That's why I had to do this. The entire book, I believe, maybe not every single page, but it's all filled out. It's all filled out, and she's just, look at that. That was kind of cool. Look how cool that is. Anyway, you like your drawings? You're a good drawer. She's in the background over there. So, you know, she's filled out all this. And the funny thing is, not the funny thing, the great thing is, this is amazing. Like, I can't wait to get another one of these sets. You have these crayons, I'll show you, they're still in amazing shape. So, I mean, like these, none of these have broken. That's amazing, right? So some obviously she's using more than others. It looks like we're using, some of the ones more than others. And these are really, really great. So even with heavy duty use, you know, that's still pretty much there. You can, so it's, I'm very, very impressed. I am impressed with the quality and the design of these because they've really, really held up. I've never seen other crayons. I mean, typically we'll get, the other crayons, and you've got crayons that are broken all over the place, crayons that run out. So this was great. Super impressed, and I just had to bring that update to you because I've never seen anything like that before. I felt like we needed to put this in here as an update to have the right context and a fuller picture for this review. So hopefully that helps. Thanks so much for watching again. I'm John D. Villarreal. Please subscribe. Please rate this video up. Also, please turn on the bell notifications. Jonnaire saying goodbye from the other side over there.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Jonnaire wanted to say goodbye too. Jonnaire, you like your crayons? You happy with your crayon set? Wait, she might have to set. Oh, there we go. You love drawing. You love your crayon set.
I love this. And I love this too.
Oh, I love you too. For Jonnaire, I'm John. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, everybody. We'll see you next time.